Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audiocast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide Anindya Banerjee. आज Asian equity markets are trading in the red. So एक risk off condition है. At the same time, if you look at the dollar index, it is slightly higher. US bond yields have rebounded. 10-year का support था 4.5 पे and that has been tested and held quite well last Friday. Or we have seen a slight bounce. अगर यही yields, if it starts to trade above 480-85 on the 10-year, so here we can see a far positive reaction on the US dollar and also a negative reaction in other markets. But this 480-85 is a critical resistance now. Uske upar jate hi we could see that impact also on USDINR. But USDINR as if it's not able to move lower, it's not able to move higher, it's stuck in a limbo. जो 83-30 का range था पहले, that has shrunk further and it's now between 83.10 and 83.30. Incredibly 20 paisa. So how to trade 83.22 के आसपास offshore में trade हो रहा है, which is going to be a slightly higher open, maybe a flat as well अगर 83.21 के आसपास आके open होता है तो. So not much of move. Intraday pullback towards 83.15-16 is a buying opportunity with a stop below 83.10 on an hourly closing basis. Spot के हिसाब से get 5-6 पैसा book profit and exit. 83.26 से लेकर 83.30 तक is a major resistance because of the massive selling from the RBI. Short straddle can continue to be done, but just remember what we have been saying, that अगर short straddle आप short strangle करते हो तो intraday में आपको शायद कुछ खास मिलेगा नहीं, because overall premiums are less. So premiums are generally high, मतलब implied volatilities are very high, then you can look to target intraday erosion in option prices. But जब 2% के आसपास implied vols हो, तब you have to hold the position for a few days to make some decent money, and over that period of time you are exposed to the risk of a sudden market move. So if you are doing short straddle, it is very important to keep two things in mind. Position size, keep it small. Second, have a proper stop loss and exit strategy if the market starts to break the broader range, which is 83 say 83.30. Cross currencies में euro INR, GBP INR दोनों में we can see a pullback, a downward pullback after sharp opening gap yesterday. But it's both are in a entering the buying zone, so we could look for buying opportunity intraday. The bias is still upward, but again we'll keep an eye on the US bond yields. अगर US bond yields continue to rise, then हो सकता है pullback can be far deeper. But GBP INR and euro INR will be two currencies जहाँ पे we'll watch for a buying opportunity. Yen INR is still bearish because dollar yen is still upward. So yen INR we can look for selling opportunity at high levels. So that's a bearish call on yen. आज कोई major data है नहीं. In fact, over this week, the major events will be Bank of England का जो governor है उनका speech and a number of speeches from the Fed members, including of Jerome Powell. So that will be an important, those will be the important events to watch. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.